Hello everyone, my name is Pranali Kothekar. I am from M.Tech College of Engineering and Technology. I am currently pursuing B.Tech third year with SEM from Civil Engineering Department. Today we will study numerical on design of steel structure. So here is the question, that is calculate the shape factor for rectangle. We will calculate here shape factor for rectangle. Here depth D is 411 and P, that is breadth, is 211. So here we have to find shape factor. To calculate the shape factor, the formula is SF is equal to ZP upon Z. P, ZP means it is plastic movement and E is elastic. So solution is, first of all we have to calculate ZP. After that we have to calculate ZP. So ZP is equal to A by 2 Y1 bar plus Y2 bar. Area is equal to B into D. So breadth is 211 and depth is 411. After calculating or multiplying both, we get answer, that is 4672. Here unit will be understood. 211 multiplied by 411, you will get 867211 square. We have to put unit or give the unit for area. Now we have to calculate Y1 bar. Y1 bar is y upon 2 and y is d upon 2 here. Depth is 400, then half of 411 will be d by 2. This value for y, and for y1 bar we have to calculate y by 2, that is d by 2 upon 2. So y1 bar is equal to d by 4. That we use it, that is d by 2 upon 2 is equal to d by 4. The value of depth is 411 and that is 4. So after calculating both, we get answer, that is 102.75 mm. This is the value for y1 bar as well as for y2 bar. Here y1 bar is equal to y2 bar is equal to 102.75. That's why we put here y1 bar is equal to 102.75 and y2 bar is equal to 102.75. Here we put the value of area. We use this formula here and put the value. After solving overall equation, we get answer, that is 8910582.75. Approximate, I take the value, that is Z is equal to 8.91 into 10 to the power 6. After that we have to calculate Z. Now we have to calculate Z. The formula to calculate Z means elasticity. The formula is I upon Y. I here is moment of inertia. For rectangular shape, the moment of inertia is BD cube by pi. For rectangle and for triangle and circle, it will be J. But for rectangle, the formula is BD cube by pi. Here T is 211 and depth is 411. So here we put the value, that is 211 multiplied by 411 cube divided by pi. Y, I already tell you that y is equal to d by 2 and here depth is 411 divided by 2. We put overall value in the formula, that is I by y. Now we can cancel here. Now then overall formula will be 211 multiplied by 411 square divided by 6. Whenever you put this value in the calculation, we will get the answer, that is 5946388.5. As for ZP, we take value, that is 10 raised to the power 6. So here we also convert in engineering notation. Therefore, Z is equal to 5.94 into 10 raised to the power 6. Now, put overall value of ZP and ZD in the formula, that is self factor is equal to ZP by ZD is equal to 8.91 into 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 5.91 into 10 raised to the power 6. So, shape factor is 1.5. Whenever you calculate for rectangular shape, the shape factor will be common and that is 1.5. It will be approximate, that is 1.49 or 48.